Welcome to Math with Mr. J. In this video, I'm going to cover how to add time, and we'll be working with hours and minutes. Let's jump into number 1, where we have 3 hours and 35 minutes plus 2 hours and 17 minutes. Now, the first thing that we need to do is line this up. We do this by setting this up vertically, so up and down. And we line up the hours and minutes. So 3 hours and 35 minutes plus 2 hours and 17 minutes. So we're just lining up an addition problem basically, but we have hours and minutes. Now, once we're lined up, we add. We add the minutes and then the hours. So starting with the minutes here, we have 35 minutes plus 17 minutes. We'll start with 5 plus 7. That gives us 12. So we write our 2 and then carry the 1. Now we have 1 plus 3 plus 1. 1 plus 3 is 4. Plus 1 is 5. So we end up with 52 minutes. Now we add the hours. We have 3 hours plus 2 hours. 3 plus 2 gives us 5 hours. And we end up with 5 hours and 52 minutes. This is our final answer. So 3 hours and 35 minutes plus 2 hours and 17 minutes equals 5 hours and 52 minutes. Moving on to number 2, we have 8 hours and 20 minutes plus 4 hours and 50 minutes. Let's start by lining this up. So we have 8 hours and 20 minutes plus 4 hours and 50 minutes. We'll start by adding the minutes. So we have 20 minutes plus 50 minutes. We'll start with 0 plus 0. That gives us 0. Then we have 2 plus 5. That gives us 7. So we end up with 70 minutes. Now for the hours, we have 8 hours plus 4 hours. 8 plus 4 gives us 12 hours. So 8 hours and 20 minutes plus 4 hours and 50 minutes equals 12 hours and 70 minutes, which is technically correct, but 70 minutes is more than an hour. So we want to actually clean this up a little bit. We want to regroup that hour that we have within our minutes. We basically want to take that hour and put it with the hours. Remember, 60 minutes equals 1 hour. So if our minutes end up being 60 minutes or more, we have an hour in there that we need to regroup, that we need to include with the total hours. So what we can do, let's take 60 minutes from 70 minutes here. So we are taking out 60 minutes and converting that 60 minutes to an hour. And we are adding that hour to our hours. So we are subtracting 60 minutes, which converts to 1 hour, from 70 minutes. And we are adding that hour to our hours. So let's do 70 minutes minus 60 minutes here. 0 minus 0 is 0. And then 7 minus 6 is 1. So we have 10 minutes. And then for our hours, we have 12 hours plus 1 hour. That gives us 13 hours. And this is our final answer. So 8 hours and 20 minutes plus 4 hours and 50 minutes equals 13 hours and 10 minutes. Let's move on to number 3, where we will try one more of these where our minutes will be more than 60. Taking a look at number 3, we have 5 hours and 48 minutes plus 2 hours and 45 minutes. Let's line this up. So 5 hours and 48 minutes plus 2 hours and 45 minutes. Let's start by adding the minutes. So 48 minutes plus 45 minutes. And we need to start with 8 plus 5. That gives us 13. So write our 3 and carry the 1. Now we have 1 plus 4 plus 4. 1 plus 4 is 5, plus 4 is 9. So we get 93 minutes. Now we need to add our hours. So 5 hours plus 2 hours. 5 plus 2 gives us 7 hours. And we end up with 7 hours and 93 minutes. But notice, our minutes are more than 60. So we have an hour here that we can regroup and add to our hours. So we need to subtract or take that hour out of our minutes. So let's do 93 minutes minus 60 minutes. And then we take that hour and we add it to our hours. We converted that 60 minutes to an hour. So let's start with our minutes here. 93 minus 60. 3 minus 0 is 3. And then 9 minus 6 is 3. So we end up with 33 minutes. Now for our hours. We have 7 hours plus that 1 hour that we regrouped. 7 plus 1 gives us 8 hours. And this is our final answer. 5 hours and 48 minutes plus 2 hours and 45 minutes equals 8 hours and 33 minutes. So there you have it. There's how to add time in hours and minutes. I hope that helped. Thanks so much for watching. Until next time, peace.